Hi all. Something I wanted to show you was I picked this up at Lowe's a few months back, and I really don't use it much. I just kind of pill around the house, but I got it marked open this side because if you open the wrong side they fall out all over the place. These fall out. But the ratchet went bad, and I think I was only using one of these, so it's not like I was wrenching down on something really heavy duty, you know. But I brought the ratchet back to Lowe's, and they said, okay, just go ahead and grab another one off the shelf. So I just matched up this number here, and they just did a even Steven trade, and so I guess they're guaranteed for life. So pretty cool. Now if I can get the plastic off of it, we'll be all set. Jeez. And break the ratchet just getting it out of the plastic. I think there's a couple little marks there that say to cut this. I need directions just to get out of the package. It's like, what the hell? Okay. Pretty cool. And I didn't stab myself. These were on sale for 19 bucks. They had all different sizes. So on their main webpage, down at the bottom, they've got a button for deal of the day. You might be able to catch them there, or just check the store once a week and see if you can catch them on sale. Okay, see ya.